Chile's presidential race is going to a tense runoff between communist and hard-right candidates after neither of them gained the necessary vote to become the president of Chile in a first round. With 99% of the votes counted, Chileans have decided between 8 candidates who will be the 2 options for a second round on December 14 to finally decide who will be the next president of Chile. In the first place, we are talking about Janet Jara from the Communist Party and former Minister of President Gabriel Boric, who got at least 26% of the preferences. On the other hand, the veteran politician José Antonio Kast, the founder of the Republican Party in Chile, who got at least 23% of the votes. We have to remember that this time the vote was mandatory, and there were more than 12 million people who assisted to the polls to also decide the new members of the Congress. The President Gabriel Boric gave the congratulations to both candidates and said that he trusts that dialogue, respect and love for Chile will prevail over any differences. But what are the topics that most worry to the Chileans? Security, the fight against organized crime, illegal immigration, and improvement of the economy. The final results of this presidential race will be known in 1 more month, when Chileans will have to go back to the polls to decide if Chile will keep on a left government or if Chile turns to a hard right government.
After 4 quarters of intense play and some overtime, the Miami Dolphins have emerged victorious in quite a historic showdown. This is because this Sunday was the very first time that a NFL regular season game has taken the field in Spain, a clash that has been celebrated in no other place than the Real Madrid stadium, the Santiago Bernabeu, and has been enjoyed by around 80,000 people.
I thought it was a good game. Just a little disappointed, but yeah.
My husband is the 12th man on the field, die-hard Commander fan. So we traveled here so that we could get the win, and we didn't get it.
I thought we could have played a little bit better. I feel like we should have won that game, but I mean, it came down to the end, so we played okay. You know, could have been worse.
I think our coach made some bad decisions, but we got lucky and we pulled it out at the end.
They always do it to us. I don't know how we've gone from last week to this, but we won, so that's all that matters.
It was honestly one of the best football games I've ever seen because some are boring. This one was very intense, and I'm so happy that we won.
We had a great time, a lot of fun, some sloppiness, but we came with the victory. That's all that matters, all right?
After welcoming this international experience, the Santiago Bernabeu has made it clear that it's ready to host other global events. And that's why the fans are already wondering if the NFL will disembark again next year in Spain.